Hello, guys, and welcome to Master Microsoft 365 Services, Microsoft Intune Online. We're going to be doing step-by-step labs on this. And about my introduction, my name is Syed Amr Shahzad. I'm Senior Cloud Administrator in a company in downtown Toronto. I'm responsible for managing online Microsoft 365 services, including Entra ID, SharePoint, OneDrive, Dynamics 365, Intune Online, and Microsoft Copilot, agents. Working on pretty much all the Microsoft 365 services environments, and also Azure Cloud Infrastructure Management and Administration, Security, troubleshooting. So I'm going to be sharing all my experiences here in this video series. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe, comment, share, and like my video. Well, lots of things to do, right? Um, so, and I also have an AI assistant, and it's AI Tony. So over to you, Tony.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Cloud Engineers Academy online course series. Master Microsoft 365 Services. I'm AI Tony, and I will be assisting Amir in this course. We are starting Microsoft Intune online course with step-by-step labs and detailed discussions. This course is intended for beginners and professionals both. Please let us know in your comments below all your valuable input, suggestions, and feedback. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment on our YouTube channel. Back to you, Amir.
Thank you, AI Tony. And let's get back to our course. So we will be doing all the labs on a trial version, but now Microsoft requires credit card information on the trial version. So you have to, if you want to follow the labs, you have to give your credit card information. And Microsoft would want to know you are who you say you are. So that's why you have to open an account to follow all the labs of Microsoft Intune. So that said, let me share my screen and we can carry on with the slide. You can see, so in 2025, Microsoft requires you to put your credit card information to start a trial account. I would recommend to go for Enterprise 3 version, which is $47 per month, which you don't have to pay now. I mean, the first month is the trial version. But if you want to continue, then obviously you have to pay this amount. I don't think it's a very big amount with as compared to what you're learning. And what you're learning is going to get you a good job if you really work hard. So investing $47 per month should not be a big deal because we need to do all the labs in depth, step by step. And for that, this is a very small amount to invest on your career. If you get a 70K per year or 120K per year job, so this $47 per month is worthwhile. I hope you will agree to that. I'll be putting this link in the description and in the comment section as well. So you could just click that link and create that Enterprise 3 version account. We can create E5 version account as well, Enterprise 5 license, but that would be $75 per month. We can start with E3. Whatever we cannot do in E3, then we can upgrade to E5 as well. But again, if you're still paying $75 per month to get 110K job, so I would still say it's not a bad deal. What do you say? Well, let's go ahead with that Intune course. So Microsoft Intune is MDM. MDM is mobile device management. This is a very critical skill that you should have, or those who are coming from desktop support, desktop analyst, IT support jobs, and they want to improve in their career and go to system administration. Then they should know how to manage thousands of devices remotely, online. Um, so Microsoft Intune offers the management of thousands of devices from the cloud, laptops, desktops, as well as deploying applications. For example, M365, Microsoft 365, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You want to deploy any other third-party applications and manage them and update them. So you can do all that with MDM. Also, you can manage iOS devices and Android devices, iPhones and other tablets and phones, right? So you can manage all that from Microsoft device management, MDM, right? Mobile device management. Did I say Microsoft device management? Seriously? Okay. So it's mobile device management. So having this skill is mucho importante, right? So that's very, very important, right? So you have to go for it. And that's why I'm starting this course. I'll go step by step with shorter videos and in a way that you could also follow me and do all the labs, understand all the concepts, and learn this very important technology, right? So there is MDM, mobile device management, and there is MAM, mobile application management. As I said, that you can handle all the devices across the organization as well as all the applications, deployment, management of applications, uninstallation, and updates, right? So that's always a lot of hassle. There are some third-party apps or services that you can use to update third-party applications or non-Microsoft applications like Adobe Acrobat, Reader, WinZip, and whatever other applications there are, Oracle, right? So, etc., etc. The rivals of Microsoft Intune, MDM solutions are here as well, like SOTI, SOTI, AirWatch from VMware, Manage Engine, and IBM Mass 360, Zen Mobile from Citrix, and AppTech 360 Enterprise. So these are all the rivals doing the same thing, MDM, mobile device management. But Microsoft has an edge here that Microsoft has its own MDM solution that integrates with the other Microsoft products that companies use a lot, which is client-side applications and operating systems, as well as Microsoft Cloud, Azure, and Microsoft Security, Microsoft Defender. So they're all integrated with MDM. So that's why Microsoft Intune is widely used and very famous, and its skills are very much in demand in the market, right? So key features and benefits for that. You can manage users and devices, including devices owned by your organization and personally owned devices. BYOD, bring your own device. BYOL, bring your own lunch. Don't look at others' lunch. And then BYOD. We're talking about BYOD. Let's not go for lunch. So, personally owned devices, Microsoft Intune supports Android Open Source Project, AOSP, iOS, iPadOS, Linux, Ubuntu Desktop. So, yeah, from Microsoft MDM, you can manage iOS and Linux devices as well. Mac OS, Windows client devices. With Intune, you can use these devices too. securely access organization resources with policies you create. So there's a long list of policies to manage user environment, device configurations, application configurations, security implementation. So there's a long list of services and policies there that you can implement. We're going to go through all of them as well, and we're going to explore all the types, manage identities using Microsoft Intune. You can go for that link. I'll try to put those links in the description and in the comment section. If you don't find it there, you can just put in the comment, hey, where are those URLs? Amir. Okay. So, does Intune support Linux? Well, simple answer is yes, but you can explore this link. I'll put that link there. And Intune simplifies app management as well with a built-in app experience, including app deployment, updates, removal. So as I said, you can deploy applications Win32 apps as well. We can also protect all the applications with app protection policies and manage access to apps and their data. So all the conditional access policies from Microsoft Entra ID could be used to protect not only access to Microsoft online services, Azure environment, but also to protect access to critical applications of the company. And Intune automates policy deployment. Yeah, you can automatically deploy all the policies. We're going to go through those policies step by step, and then we're going to explore all that. Employees and students can use the self-service features in the company portal app to reset a PIN password, install apps, join groups, and more. Well, you can do all that with self-service password change. We're going to explore that in the labs. So what pretty much happens here is, wow, see this? That your device needs to have company portal app installed. That is from Microsoft Intune. And that company portal app lets your device connect to Microsoft Intune, and then Microsoft Intune pushes all the policies to your device through company portal app, right? So overall, that's what you need to do. I do echoes as well, so you need to get used to it. I'm doing it myself. There is no effect for that, right? So end user experience with Intune BYOD. As I was saying, that you go to App Store in your device, you download the portal app, and in Android and in iOS and in Android, you can just install that company portal. This user account is supposed to be added to a security group. So the thing is that you create a security group in Entra ID, and then you add all the users there, and then attach that Entra ID security group to Intune policy. So as soon as a user logs in from their Azure AD or Entra ID user account from iOS device, company portal app, or Android device, company portal app, all the policies from Intune are implemented, right? So that's the whole experience. BYOD, obviously, bring your own device, means that you want to connect to company Outlook or email and Teams for chat. So you don't want company to be providing you a phone. You want to connect to your company applications through your own personal phone. Then yeah, that is possible, and we can deploy a company portal app in your device, and then from that you can connect to company applications, but it would be protected by the company, and they cannot see your personal data. from the Office Intune, but will be able to still protect the company data in your personal phone. So that's BYOD. Okay, so Intune integrates with mobile threat defense services, including Microsoft Defender for Endpoint and third-party partner services. With these services, focuses on endpoint security, and you can create policies that respond to threats, do real-time risk analysis, and automate remediation. So, yes, Microsoft Defender with the huge amount of security tools there would be able to protect company data in office provided devices and in your personal devices that has office application access. So yeah, there's full protection just for the company data with maintenance of your privacy in your personal devices. um, Microsoft Defender working in my cell phone with company credentials. So, yep, that's how it looks like when we put Microsoft Defender along with the company portal app in your personal device. Obviously, you opt in for this, you sign an agreement with the company, and then we put this in your device. So the company data in your device could be protected, right? Okay, so this was just introduction going on for Microsoft Intune. We're going to be talking more about the exam objectives and what skills company need when you're applying for a job and you're adding to your resume that you know Microsoft Intune. So what kind of excuse me, what kind of skills you need to put on your resume to be qualified for that job if they require Microsoft Intune skills, right? So we're gonna keep on talking about Intune introduction and importance in the next video as well. And also we'll give you a brief about how we're going to conduct the lab. So stay tuned for the next video and do let us know about this video as well and give your precious comments in the comments section. Thank you very much and bye bye.